Kit here, professional voice actor and narrator. If, like me, you occasionally come across words that you're not quite sure how to say, then I'm here to help. Any other words you want to know how to say, let me know in the comments section. Okay, here we go. Lexicon, lexicant, lexican, with Lexikit. This word means to confirm or support with evidence. What is this word? The word is corroborate. Corroborate. Rate. Corroborate, when written phonetically. And at the bottom in the center, when written in IPA, that is, using symbols from the International Phonetic Alphabet. How to use corroborate in a sentence. Here's one example. This new evidence corroborates their alibi. So there it is, corroborate, meaning to confirm or support with evidence. I wonder if the collective noun for the alibis of burglars could be a corroboration. Corroboration? I'll leave you with that. Remember, click to subscribe to Lexikit for how to say more difficult words and build your Lexikit.